Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the euro dollar actually made a pretty nice push up yesterday. We're on the daily time frame. The daily time frame is definitely up, and if this right here really is the end of a pullback, the end of an ABC, then it should go up and take out the previous highs. We do not have engulfing down. We do not have break of structure down. We do not have a lower high. Then in my eyes, there's absolutely no reason to do anything but look for longs on shorter time frames still. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I was talking yesterday about how if we did get a nice solid break of structure, it probably would make for a nice long. But the way this thing is drifting sideways and the way it is not impulsive, when you get a real turn, that it needs to be impulsive to the downside, and this is definitely not impulsive, makes me think that this is all just one big old pullback within an uptrend. So I am personally definitely still looking for longs. The higher time frames are giving me no reason to do anything at all whatsoever except for look for pullbacks in order to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Unless we get a really solid break of structure and then a pullback to go short, I definitely am doing nothing but looking for longs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.